everybody, it's your girl. I'm nice. I get so emotional. Hey everybody, it's your girl Dom Del Cielo. I just want to say first off, Happy New Year. It's not the New Year yet. I'm getting ready to go to a party. I'm gonna film some of it for you guys, but I know I'm a slow editor, so you'll see it the next day once I wake up from my intense partying. So I didn't wear my wig yet. I had to slick up my edges. So then after I do my makeup, doing a very bold look tonight. We're gonna do a pink glitter cut crease, and I'm gonna add a lightning bolt on this side because that's the nice side. This bangs on this side. So I'm gonna do a little differently. I'm gonna do one eye for a pictorial, and then the other eye I'm gonna do on camera. Okay. So let's get started. I already made my eye base, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, so I did one eye for a pictorial, so hopefully I can do the other eye the same way. We'll see. So I'm gonna start off with Pinker from my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. We're gonna go all the way up. And still bring it all the way down. We're gonna cover like almost damn near the whole eyelid. I'm gonna make sure you really get in that crease. Shade from the So Jaded. I'm gonna take Garnet, like reddish pink color. I'm gonna go all the way down. Oh, yeah, see, you're gonna love that fall there. It's the lighter color from the crease all the way down. Now we gotta add the highlight. Somebody needs trust issues. So it's this cool, oh balls, this cool white color, white gold color in the inner corner.
Stop making Jamie look bad. I really just want to sit here and compete with these girls that like half of them I know right here.
Okay, and
Honestly, what I really think is that she's
eyeliner.
well, not trying to make me. First it was kind of a joke, but now I'm thinking I think she really might be a man. She's weird. She has a deeper voice than Brett. She's like, hey, baby. And that's why she wears tutus. Because it hides her bulge. I mean, have you ever seen her wear jeans? Hello, she's totally a man. I don't really want to say sure, I believe it. I'm just saying, maybe I'm wrong.
And then of course I have my glitter primer that I'm gonna take halfway across my eyelid. And honestly, it's easier to do it with the mirror in my hand. So hopefully you guys can see it. Oh, this way was way easier to do than this side. So after that, it's easy to do. I'm just gonna take the Burns Haunt again and do glitter. Notice that video.
I just feel like I'm not getting like there. Not getting like not really. Yes. Yeah, and I want to spend time with you. I'm not getting any fucking time with you. I'm sick of it.
So let's move. I'm telling you, I want to make time for you. Fuck all the other girls. I want
sit down is like the hardest part, I swear. That's the hardest part.
And he seems like he has an awesome attitude, and I love his music. So I just can't get other than here. I can totally handle the Rock and Roll Bus tour, so I am pumped. I'm ready. I've never done anything like this before, and I'm extremely excited to be here.
And then because I'm going to be a little extra, and I'm adding a little bit of Draft by ColourPop
I'm really mad about it because
to make it shimmer a little bit more. Just right here in the crease.
They were meant to be here, then why couldn't they be here in the competition with everybody?
Okay, because I'm extra, I'm going to re-line my eyes and put on my foundation. And then go from there. And now it's time to set the face. We're just gonna blend in our war paint.
Let's go back. All right, shall we go? All right, I admit it. I chickened out, but she was scared of bugs, which was very girly of her. I don't know. I am extremely confused right now.
Of course, now it's time to set. It's time to set my face.
What's going on here? News. My date with the girls is over. I really don't know a whole lot about the three new girls other than they turned me on today. So what I want to do is go back and
Go ahead and
find out a little bit about these girls. Just find out what they're at. Here, sit down, sit down. Do you want something to drink or no? Do you have children?
My daughter's almost gonna be 3 next month.
Cheers. I got a 3 in me here.
Oh, really?
Yes. Don't get too deep on me right now.
I'm not gonna try to get too.
Okay, go.
Just some of us who are last year were kind of wondering what the deal is. We, have nothing against any of the new girls. We're just wondering, is it because you didn't have any kind of emotional thing going on with any of us here and you felt the need to bring the new girls in?
Okay, here's my lipstick. So I gotta go back to another room and get my wash brush. So here is my lipstick. It's called Cold Brew by NYE. Pretty neutral for my skin
Tell you the
tone.
exact truth. When we invited them to stay, everybody clapped and we're excited for them to stay.
Now we're back. It's time for some blush.
That's it. My head is totally spinning from everything that happened today.
Come on.
I just like to spend some
Give
time.
me a nice little flush there. A nice little flush. Gotta make it even. Now my face looks so clean.
I already talked to him today. Like, this doesn't seem good.
All good now? Okay, good. Hey,
I'm gonna use some highlight.
you're doing what I do, but listen,
Okay.
I think I know
So I'm
what
gonna
you
use
guys
this
is
top
like,
one here that's called Fiji.
So
I'm
it's like
gonna use the top one called Fiji.
Fiji.
Balls! Okay. We're gonna go. Oh, balls.
A lot of my family members got. My uncle was the police.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
I just got back. It's like 4 a.m. in the morning. I'm tired. I know people do this. I'm not drunk anymore. I sent so many messages and snaps and texts. Like, it's ridiculous. Oh, God. I don't even want to think on the consequences of what I've done. But anyways, I had an amazing night. I didn't get all of it on camera because the rapper made a freestyle about me. Oh, I get to go. I got invited to my first album release and then met with me to creative people. So it's really uplifting and really motivational for this upcoming year. So it's big things to come and I'm gonna still keep praying and manifesting. And if you want to support your girl, go ahead, like and share and subscribe to my channel. Follow my IG at Donna Belleza or the Dom Tickety. Thank you so much and Happy New Year.